Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dazonn Technologies. Today, we have an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone wanting to make their mark on the digital landscape: writing SEO-friendly meta titles and descriptions. Stick around until the end because we have a game changer to share with you that will revolutionize the way you approach content optimization. But first, let's dive into the basics. How to write SEO-friendly meta title and description using AI. Segment 1. Understanding the importance of SEO. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of meta titles and descriptions, let's talk about why they matter. In the vast ocean of the internet, standing out is key, and that's where SEO comes into play. Proper optimization ensures that search engines recognize your content as valuable, ultimately boosting your visibility. So, let's start by demystifying the elements that significantly impact your SEO: the meta title and description. Segment 2. Crafting compelling meta titles. Your meta title is like a book cover. It should be captivating and provide a glimpse into what your content is all about. Here are a few tips to create an irresistible meta title. Be concise yet descriptive. Keep it short and sweet, but make sure it conveys the essence of your content. Incorporate keywords naturally. Sprinkle relevant keywords naturally. Think about what your audience might search for. Invoke curiosity. Pique curiosity, but stay true to your content to build trust with your audience. Segment 3. Mastering meta descriptions. Now that we've nailed the art of crafting meta titles, let's shift our focus to meta descriptions. This is your chance to provide a sneak peek into the value your content offers. Keep it informative. Elaborate on what viewer can expect, but remember, brevity is key. Include a call to action. Prompt your audience to take action. It could be watching, reading, or engaging in some way. Front-load important information. Place the most crucial information at the beginning for maximum impact. Segment 4. Revolutionizing your approach with AI. Now, get ready for a game changer in the world of content optimization: AI-powered writing tools. These tools take your meta titles and descriptions to the next level, ensuring they not only meet SEO criteria but also resonate with your audience. AI for personalized content. AI understands your audience, tailoring your titles and descriptions for maximum engagement. Effortless keyword integration. Say goodbye to the guesswork. AI effortlessly incorporates the right keywords, boosting your search rankings. Time-saving brilliance. Save time without compromising quality. Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. And there you have it, the complete guide to crafting SEO-friendly meta titles and descriptions. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process, so keep experimenting and refining. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Now, go out there and make your mark on the digital world. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. This is Dazonn, signing off from Dazonn Technologies.